2017 Honda Civic, and that's the side marker light bulb inside here. So to change it, I don't know how you can do that. There's no room. I'll show you. Side marker light bulb is right there. That's the side marker light bulb. So first, take out the wheel, and there's one screw, two screw, three screw. Turn on the flashlight. So one screw, two screw, three screw, and then back here the clip, one clip. Down here one clip, two clip, three clip. So total 1, 2, 3 clip. Okay, remove the clip. Remove the clip. Screwdriver. Push it. Yeah. Tiny clip like this. Same as the other. Just use a screwdriver. Take it out. The one up here, the same. Screwdriver. Take it out. So out the three. To remove 3 screw here. And then free up. And you can see the this is side marker light bulb. Light. You see that here? Oh, I think easier to take it out first. Turn it counterclockwise. So you take it out. And I'm not need to replace it now. I'm showing how to do it. To replace it, you just take out the bulb, put a new one. You don't even have to take out the plug. Put the new one. Put it back. Turn it clockwise until you click. Test the light bulb first before you close everything. Turn on the car. The screw. Put the middle one first. One screw here. You don't need to tighten it yet. Two screws. last one up here. The 3 clip back. This. The nut is 19 mm. So put the wheel back and torque it at around 80 foot-pound. All right. Thank you.